Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are just going to be making a very quick video on a melt and pour soap. We've learned how to make the base of the melt and pour. So today I thought let me just make a soap out of it and show you all. So this is a glycerin base soap base that we have here, which we had made earlier during one of the videos that I had shared with you all. So I have taken a little bit of my glycerin soap base, and today I'm going to be making a lemon and chamomile glycerin soap. So what we need to do here is we need to go ahead and heat this in the microwave till the time all the pieces don't melt, and then I'll show you how we make our soap. So I've gone ahead and melted the base here. If you all can see, it's all very well melted. And now we'll quickly go ahead and add our chamomile buds, which we have here, since this is a chamomile and lemon soap that we are making. So I have gone ahead and added, it's a very small batch, so I'm just adding a few chamomile buds here, and it's given out a very, very nice fragrance of chamomile. And here I'm going to be adding a few drops of lemon essential oil. Just a few drops of lemon essential oil and a very, very little yellow color. This is entirely optional. You don't need to add color if you don't wish to, but I just want to give it that little yellow color. So I have gone ahead and added a little yellow pigment, and we'll just give this a mix. If you all can see, it has got that nice yellow color, a very light lemon color, and this is all we want. We are not adding any more color to this. And now we'll go ahead and pour this into our mold. And now I'm going to be, the final step is spray this with 99% rubbing alcohol, so that we don't have any air bubbles which will be formed on the top. Now also I would like to tell you all the benefits of this soap. This has chamomile, which is very soothing and very, very calming. When you take a shower with either a chamomile or a lavender soap, so this is going to give you all the soothing and calming effect that you want. As well as we have lemon essential oil in this, so it's going to help a lot with to remove the tan on your skin, to give you a nice glow on your skin. If you have pigmentation, it will help to reduce the pigmentation on your skin. So you're going to get all these lovely benefits with this lemon and chamomile soap. And now we are just going to keep this to dry out completely, and then I will unmold and show you all how the soap looks like. Okay, so we just let this sit for some time to dry out completely, and now the soap is all set. And this is how the soap looks. This is how the soap looks. Very, very pretty chamomile and lemon soap that we have made. You all can see all the chamomile buds up here, and it's a nice clear transparent glycerin soap that we have. And you can just keep this for a while before you start using it. You can use it immediately also, there is no problem. These soaps don't need any curing, they are already cured. And this is a very simple and easy to make lavender and chamomile melt and pour soap. So friends, if you do like my videos, if you do like what I share with you all, please like and subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends as well, so I can come up with much more different videos for you all to learn. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.